So I'm going to have tonight for food, I'm going to have some of these Stouffer's stuffed peppers here. So these are stuffed green bell peppers with beef, rice, and a zesty tomato sauce. So let's try this. I've tried this before. I always like stuffed peppers. Really good these are. I like homemade stuffed peppers better, but I guess these might be homemade. Stouffer's is pretty good. I think most of their food is kind of homemade. I don't know. These are really good. Still piping hot though. So let those cool down for a minute. Alright, let's try them once again. They're too hot at first, so they're still pretty hot, but seems like they made them smaller, because they used to be pretty big. Probably did. Actually, no. There used to be just one big one that they used to have in there, and now it's just one small, or two small, peppers. Used to actually have a big pepper that they used to have in there, and now it's just small. Oh well. It's pretty good though, still. And no, I didn't feel like having potato skins. I've been having too many potato skins. Not healthy for me. Anyway, I give these on a scale rating 1 to 10, probably an 8 out of 10. They're actually pretty good, so peace.